Class 9, question number 3. It is given a cube minus 12a minus 16. You have to factorize this one. First of all, what is the first step? You have to let a value something. Means in this question, variable is a, so we have to let a equals to 1. Okay, you will always start from 1, then go to minus 1, then 2, minus 2, like this. Okay, see. So first of all, I am taking let a equals to 1. Now I am writing the given question a cube minus 12a minus 16. Now I am putting a equals to 1. So 1 cube minus 12 into, in place of a I am writing 1 minus 16. Okay, so 1 cube will give you 1, 12 into 1 12 minus 16. Now you can see when you will add or subtract, suppose that plus minus minus 11 minus 16. So we are getting minus 27, which is wrong because I told you whenever we are letting any variable value, either x, a, b, c, anything, it must come 0. If it is coming 0, then you can go further. So in a equals to 1, it is not come. Okay, now take minus 1. Now again I am taking minus 1. Okay, a value minus 1. Why I am writing the bracket? Because there is minus sign. Okay, so minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 will multiply 3 times. Minus minus plus plus minus minus. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. So we will get minus 1. Shortcut is that when power is odd, then if you have minus sign you have to write. If you have power as an odd number, means minus 1, 3, 5, 7, like this. If power is odd, it means if you have minus sign, that minus sign you have to write. If you have even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, then at that time power will remove. Okay, now see, minus minus plus 12 into 1 12 minus 16. Again minus plus 1, how much we will get? 13, 11 minus plus minus plus 11 minus 16. Again we are getting 0. No, we are not getting 0. We are getting how much? Plus minus 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 sign, 16 minus 11 5. Again we are not getting 0. Means we will not be able to take a equals to minus 1. Now come to a equals to 2. Let a equals to 2. Again a cube minus 12a minus 16. Now in place of a, what we will put? A equals to 2 means a equals to 2, 12 into 2 minus 16. 2 cube means 2 will multiply 3 times, means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 12 into 2, 24 minus 16. Now do this one, plus 8 minus 8. How much you will get? Plus minus minus. Okay. Plus minus minus. You will get minus 16, then again minus 6. Again you are getting 0. You are not getting 0 in this one also. You are getting minus 32. Again take minus 2. So I am giving minus 2. Now see, power is odd, it means minus sign will come. 2 cube will give you 8, minus minus plus 12 into 2, 24 minus 16. Now minus 8 minus 16, minus minus plus minus 24. You know minus minus plus 16 plus 8 24. But which sign we will put? The greater number sign. Which one is greater? 8 or 16? 16, and with 16 we have minus sign. That is why I am putting minus sign. Minus sign 24 plus 24 as it is this one. So minus plus minus 20, minus 24 plus 24 will cancel. It means that a equals to minus 2 when you are taking, then you are getting 0. So what you will do here, you will take a plus 2 equals to 0. Means this minus 2 will go that side, it will become plus 2, and here in RHS you have nothing, means a plus 2 equals to 0. Now you will leave one line and you will write a plus 2 3 times. Okay, a plus 2 how many times? 3 times. Okay, why? Because we are getting a plus 2 equals to 0. So a plus 2 you will write 3 times. Now see, here you have x, but here you have a cube. So you have to multiply with a square to make it a cube. Now a square into a cube. a square into plus 2a square. But here we have no a square term. We have to remove this one. Now here we have a, but we need minus 2a square. So I will multiply with 2a. Why? Because here we have plus 2a square. I have to remove this one. To remove this one, I need the opposite sign. Here it is plus sign. Now I need minus sign. 1a is already present, but I need 2a square. So I am multiplying with 2a. Now minus plus minus 2a into a, 2a square. Okay. Now again minus plus minus 2a into 2, 4a. But here I need minus 12a. I am getting only minus 4a. Okay. So I will multiply with 8 minus 8 by c. Minus plus minus 8 into 8, 8 into 8, 8a. Okay. So see, minus minus plus and 8 plus 4, 12. So you will get minus 12. Now minus plus minus 8 into 2, 16. Minus 16. Okay. So you can remove this one as well as you will get the same thing which you have there. Okay. But no need to show cancellation. Okay. Now after this, in this one, in this one, in this one, which one is common? A plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 2. You will write one time a plus 2. What is that? A square minus 2a minus 8. Now this one is okay. If it is possible to factorize this one in doing middle term factor, then you have to do middle term factor also. Now see, here we have 1 and here we have 8. Means 8 into 1, 8. You have to take the LCM of 8, and after subtraction sign, which one you will see? This one, not this one. This one side you will see. After subtraction you must get 2. Okay. Means after multiplication you must get 8, and after subtraction you must get 2. Multiplication one this one and subtraction one this one. Means multiplication 8 and subtraction 2. Now how you will do? 8 LCM I am taking. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Means you are getting 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. This one is 8. Okay. Now 4, 2 2s are 4. Okay. 4 into 2 you will get 8. And if you will subtract 4 minus 2, if you will do, you will again get 2. See, after multiplication you are getting 8, after subtraction you are getting 2. So this is the rule only. After multiplication you must get 8, and after subtraction you must get 2. So what you will do here, first you will give second bracket, you will write a square minus, then you will give this bracket, first bracket, then whatever variable you have you will write that one, then minus 8 you will write. Okay. Now in this place what you will write? 4 minus 2, because after subtraction you are getting 2 and I need 2. So 4 minus 2, and which sign you will see? This sign. Okay. Now a plus 2, I am opening the bracket. Okay. A square minus, with 4 you have plus sign, minus plus minus 4 into a, 4a. Again minus minus plus 2 into a, 2a. Then minus a. Now from this one, from the first row you have to take common. What is common? A is common, and what is left? A minus 2. Here what is common? Plus 2. Sign, this one sign we will take only. Okay. Plus 2 will common, and if you are taking 2 common, a left from this one, and here 4 will left. And since you have minus sign, you will put minus sign. Sign will not change because you are taking plus as a common. Okay. Now see, a minus 4, a minus 4. Write one time. What is left? A plus 2. Now see, 2 times a plus 2, a plus 2. You can write a plus 2 whole square, a minus 4. This is your answer. Complete this one.